And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you how to use the canvas tag. It's a bigger topic and I'm going to make a couple of videos about this. I've put it on my to-do list, but for now let us just go over the basics so we can create a canvas to draw on in our web browser. You can't really see it, but if I give it a border, it's going to have its default size. And now you can see it, so it's a simple rectangle. You can adjust height and width, just like this. And this is all there is to know about it. As I've said, you can now draw on it. I'm going to make more videos about this. But let me just give you a simple example so that you can see how this canvas is used. We need our script, because this is JavaScript that we're going to use. We will get our canvas and we'll get it by ID, so I'll have to give it an ID. Let me call it test canvas. So it's important that we have the same value here for get element by ID and for the ID in our canvas element. And I'm going to create a rectangle. Going to be 2D. And let me just make that red. So use a simple fill style, set to red. And now I have to give it a size so that we can actually see it. So I'll use fill rect. And it has 4 numbers. The first 2 are for the position. The other ones are for width and height. So if I make it 0, 0, it's going to be in the top left corner, and now we can't see it. Let me show you these 4 values, but I'm going to go over this in more detail in future videos. But here you can see we've got a width of 400 for our canvas, and if I put the position to 400, it's going to be outside of our canvas, and 325 is now the correct position here because we have a width of 75. And if you add that together, we've got a total width of 400, which is the width of our canvas. So you can put that to the right top like this. Same goes for the Y position, so the second value here. And you can obviously adjust both positions at the same time. And as I've said, 3rd and 4th values here are for width and height. So if you don't want to have a square, you can adjust that as well and make it, for example, a little bit wider. Let me make it 200 times 75. And our canvas has a height of 300, so if I want to fill it fully, I'll use 300 here for my 4th value. And this is how you can use the canvas tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.